Hello, in front of me I have a Huawei Watch GT Runner and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. First, we need to turn on our watch, so to turn it on, press and hold the home button for a couple of seconds. And once you see the Huawei logo on the screen, you can release the button. Now it's a good time to check if the Bluetooth is enabled on our iPhone, so let's open the panel. And as you can see on mine, it's enabled, but if it's disabled on yours, please enable the Bluetooth, because if it's disabled, you won't be able to pair the devices. Okay, so once the Bluetooth is enabled, we can go back to our watch, and on it you should see the list of languages. You can scroll through this list by swiping up and down on the screen, like this. Find the language you like to use on your watch and tap on it to select it. I'm gonna select English. So tap on it, and now we need to download and install the Huawei Health application on our iPhone. And you can do it by opening the App Store on your iPhone. No, let's close this, like this. Let's open it again. And after you open the App Store, tap on Search, then tap on the search bar, type in Huawei Health and tap search. Now find the Huawei Health application on the list with this icon, tap on it to select it, then tap on Get button to install it. And after the application is done installing, you can tap on the Open button to open it. In the app, you should get some pop-ups like the one about Bluetooth. So basically, if you want to pair the devices, you need to allow the application to have access to Bluetooth. So let's tap on OK. Here we can allow the application to send the notifications. So if you want to get the notifications from the app, like, I don't know, alerts, sound, icon badges and stuff like that, you can allow it or deny it. If you want to get them, allow it. If you don't, tap on Don't Allow. I'm just gonna allow it. And once you're done with pop-ups, you should see the health page on the app, or in the app rather, my bad. Now, let's tap on the devices icon right here. Tap on Add. And now we need to log in into a Huawei ID account. I already have an account, so I'm just gonna log in, but if you don't have an account, you can register one by tapping on Register right here. So let's tap right here, enter the email address, then tap right here and enter the password. So give me a couple of seconds. And once you're done entering the credentials, you can tap on Login, then tap Next, Allow, then tap on Let's Go. And here you can allow the permission for the health features like heart rate, resting heart rate, height, sleep, stuff like that. Basically, if you want to track them with the app, you need to allow the app access to them. And you can tap on it, on the switch next to one, to allow it like this. I'm just gonna tap on Turn on All to enable all of them, and tap on Allow, then to continue. But you can customize it however you like. And after we log in, you will see that we're back on the health page. So let's tap on devices icon again, tap on Add, select the smartwatch category, then tap on Show More, and on this list find the Huawei Watch GT 3 series, this one. Tap on it to select it. Now the app should find your watch, Huawei Watch GT Runner 97D. Tap on it to select it. And as you can see, it says to pair the watch, we need to go to Settings, Bluetooth, and select the device. So let's minimize the app, open the settings on our iPhone, tap on the Bluetooth, and here we have the watch. For some reason, there's two of them. I believe this is gonna be the one, but maybe let's do this. Let's remove all of them. So forget this device. Forget this device, And now it should be on this list, other devices, okay? So if you didn't connect this watch before to your phone, it's gonna be on this list, other devices. Now let's tap on it to connect it to our iPhone. And go back to the app. Tap on OK. Tap on next. Oh, let's try again. So let's tap on this. Go back to Bluetooth settings. Tap on the device. Oh, this time we got the pop-up. Tap on the check mark to confirm. To connect the device to our phone. Go back to the application. Tap on OK. Tap on next. Tap on the device again. And then tap on pair. Tap on the check mark. And here we have it. It's quite convoluted for some reason. I don't know. It's probably Huawei. It's just weird. But once the device is pair, you will get more pop-ups about the location permission, so we can allow it or deny it. I'm just gonna tap on allow while using the app. And here we have the permission for the access of the contacts. So if you want to get the contacts list from your phone on the watch, you need to tap on OK. If you don't, you can tap on don't allow. And right here, we have the last page. Basically, we can check the option to auto download updates for the firmware if you want to. And if you don't, you can uncheck it and then tap on done. And at this point, you should see the devices page, and on it, you should see your watch right here. Okay, and also the watch will be ready to use, as you can see. And that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.